This is by far the best natural hair product for black women with coily or curly hair. Like guys, if your hair is dry and you're looking for a way to hydrate your hair, give this treatment a try. What's up my beautiful people, good day, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to use oats, only one product, to hydrate and deep condition your hair to look this juicy. So let's get making. Okay guys, so like I said earlier, what I'm using is oats, and this is what our oats looks like. So guys, for our oats deep conditioner, I'm going to be using 5 tablespoons of oats. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my water. I am using a clean drinking water, okay? So that's what I'm going to be using. If you notice in my DIYs, I always love to use a clean drinking water than tap water, and that is because our tap water is hard water. So guys, after mixing it, I'm just going to put it on the fire, and then I'll continue turning it. Please, this part is very important. You have to turn and stir it consistently so that it doesn't get burned, okay? I know that it can be hard, but yeah. And again, I added a little bit of water when I noticed that it was not as soft as I want it to be. Now if I was going to blend this, I don't mind, but I don't have power supply on this very day, and I wouldn't say because of that I'm not going to make this. And that is why this oat deep conditioner is beautiful, because you literally don't need light for this. I mean, so what I did after boiling it to my desired consistency was I brought it down, and then I added a little bit of cold water. So now we are going to start straining it. The goal is to strain it while it is still hot so that it doesn't get cold and solidifies, right? So we tried using this pattern with a turning stick, and it was not just working. And mind you, this was still really hot. So we decided to take turns into sieving it. At the end of the day, she actually did most of the work herself. Anyway, so this is us just sieving the oats anyhow that we can, and at the end of the day we got what we are looking for. So keep on watching to see that. All right my love, so this is the oats after we finish sieving it. So I'm just going to mix it together and add a few things to make it much more effective. Okay, so this is me just wowing, because this is actually the first time of me doing this pattern. I never really thought it was possible, but after doing it I see, and I don't understand why I've not been trying it this way. So the first thing I'm going to add is my honey. I added 1 tablespoon, followed by my oils. I added 2 tablespoons of oil, but seriously you can add more or less depending on what you're looking for. The same with the honey, you can actually add more or less honey depending on what you're looking for, okay? So I'm going to just mix everything together, make sure that it is properly and well blended. If you have light and you feel like to use hand mixer, you can actually go ahead, but it's not necessary. Mixing it with the spoon will still give me what I want. So my loves, this is the consistency that we have so far. Can you see how lovely it is? And did you notice that it has loosened up? So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I applied it on the hair to get that juicy look that you saw from earlier. Keep on watching, and if you're enjoying this video so far and you've not given me a thumbs up, please kindly do so. It helps YouTube to promote this video, and it also helps me know that you're actually enjoying this kind of content. So guys, who remembers Peace hair? So this is Peace hair. After washing off the pre-poo, this is what her hair was looking like. Can you see that her hair is now super clean and still looking really soft actually? So I'm just going to be using this to deep condition her hair. Now to enjoy the maximum benefit of this, you can actually apply it on your roots, or you can apply it on your roots, and I'm going to be telling you why it is good for both your roots and your hair strands. So here are some of the benefits. Now Oats has anti-inflammatory properties that helps to calm irritation and nourish the scalp. So you see that applying it on your scalp can also benefit from the nourishing effects of this oat gel. Another beautiful thing is that it enhances sleep, making detangling much more easier, especially for coily hair. I don't know how to separate that pronunciation, but you get what I mean. So after applying, I'm just going to twist it and keep it out of the way. Another benefit of oat to the hair is that oat gel helps to coat the hair strands, making it smooth, soft, and easy to manage. And by far the most benefit of applying oats to your hair, even as a leave-in conditioner or as a deep conditioner, is because oats are rich in beta glucans. Now these beta glucans are, pardon me if I'm not pronouncing it well, so it helps to form like a moisture retaining layer on the hair, keeping it hydrated for longer. So if you've not given oats a try, kindly do so. I believe you will love it. Now, a few things that I want to point out that I discovered after trying this method of, extracting the oat gel is that, number one, I feel like blending it would have more slippery effects than just boiling and sieving it. So unless you also don't have power, please just try and blend it. Yeah, and again, you can actually use oats as a leave-in conditioner. You don't have to wash it off. But for me, the way that I love to use it as a leave-in conditioner is to make it like a liquid. And to do that, I already have a video. I'll leave it up. Well, let me just explain. You can just soak like 2 tablespoons of oats. Pour like 1 cup or 1.5 cup or 2 cups of water, depending on how light or thick you want it to appear. Leave it for 2 hours / overnight. Strain the liquid, and now you can apply the liquid on your hair as a leave-in treatment. Remember to follow up with your moisturizing routine after doing that, okay? And it's going to help keep your hair shiny, like locking moisture for long. Okay guys, I hope that you're enjoying this video so far. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to my channel for more content such as this one. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to keep applying the oats on our hair. After the first and second application, I realized that I don't even need to use too much of this oats, which means the quantity that I made was so much. Like, it was too much. At the end of the day, she took the remaining one home to go and try it on her mommy's hair. You see, pikin wey sabi, you find something good, you take it home. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, please don't make too much. Yeah, when you want to make yours, I was deceived by how massive her hair is. You could see that her hair was really, like, if you watch the first video where I pre-pulled her hair, you will see that she have like a really high density hair. Her hair is really full. So I thought, instead of me to not have enough, let me have more than enough, and that was why I made so much. And plus, it was remaining very small, and I didn't want to just keep that small one, so I just added everything. But if your hair is not as full as her hair, 3 tablespoons of oats is going to be enough. Just cook it the way you want, and blend it, sieve it, and then you have yourself a very good moisturizing deep conditioner that is perfect for dry hair. Like, it will help keep your hair moisturized and hydrated as well. Okay, so I'll keep on applying this treatment on her hair, and once I am done, I will come back. So guys, this is the last session of our hair and we are done. Actually, the application process was really not that difficult or that long compared to when I pre-put her hair. Again, the video, please, I might even leave it in the comment section if you wish. So guys, I'm just going to cover her hair and leave it for 1 hour. You can leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and after the time is up, just wash it off. Like, wash it off. I washed it off thoroughly with enough water. I did not put any other thing, like I didn't use a rinse out conditioner on her hair anymore. I just washed it off and that was all. And then I proceeded to moisturizing her hair. That will be another video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm going to see you in another video. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.